Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott Salvo here, and the topic of today's video is why the police report is a critical piece of information in your injury case. In other words, why is it so important to get a police report in every crash, even if it's a hit and run? Well, a lot of people don't know this, I don't think. I was talking to a lady who had a hit and run crash, and she is like, it's a hit and run. I know it was a red car. I don't know anything else about the car. Nobody stopped. There's no witnesses. I didn't make a police report. So she called me sometime after the crash, and for those of you who watch my other videos, you know that there's insurance coverage that your own car has called uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist coverage covers you if a hit and run driver hits you or an uninsured driver hits you and injures you. So that's, that insurance specifically will cover you in those circumstances. But many of those insurance policies require a police report. Some of them require a police report within 24 or 48 hours. Some of them require that you report the crash to them, the insurance company, within 48 hours of the crash and things of that nature, right? So even in a hit and run case, getting a police report is important because otherwise your own insurance might deny coverage and won't pay on the injury. But what about a situation where somebody else runs into you? Well, obviously that's the vast majority of cases. Somebody runs into you and they do have insurance. If they do have insurance, why is the police report so important? Well, it's important because one of the main things we need to do is identify the other driver and identify their insurance. And the earlier we can do that, the better off we're going to be, right? So believe it or not, in a lot of these crashes, we'll get a first name, somebody will give a fake name, I've had situations where the original owner of a car sold the car, the plates were still on the car. So even though my client took a picture of the car, it was the prior owner who sold the car for cash, and they lost the bill of sale, and they don't know who they sold the car to, and the car's not registered, and the car never gets registered, things of that nature, right? So believe it or not, there's lots of complications after a car crash. And, sometimes, listen, you get into a car crash with somebody, even if they caused it, they're belligerent. They're ignorant, they're rude, they're belligerent, they don't want to cooperate with you. But if you call the police and there's a police report, then they do cooperate with you better. So always getting a police report, very important after any car crash. I know it's a pain in the butt. I know that if it's a hit and a run and you're reporting it more than 24 hours later, some police departments give you a hard time about it. But it's just something that you need to do as soon after a car crash as you possibly can. So definitely do it if you've been in a car crash. And if you have been in a car crash and injured, or you know anyone who has been, please send them my way. You can give me a call anytime, night or day, at 312-500-4500. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer, or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire. So I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.